In this video, we are going to go over a lesson on the power of correlation and why it's important to know why certain things follow the big boys such as Nvidia, such as Bitcoin. I think today is the perfect day to make this video, right? I told you guys, Nvidia, if it pops, the market's going to rise, your watch list is going to be green, right? And why is that? Right? The power of correlation. What does Nvidia have? A lot of power. And when the number one company in the world is going up, everything else rises with it. Why? Guys, the microphone I'm holding, the keyboard, the mouse, the three screens that I'm looking at right now, my music player, my laptop, iPad, Apple Pen. I got two phones for playing, one for playing chess and the other one's for, I guess, also playing chess. But desktop, right? I can't even look around without finding some kind of technology, right? So when Nvidia starts pumping, the market rises. And that is the power of correlation. If you know this, then you have an advantage over people who are not aware, right? People who are not aware, they're just looking at the markets right now going, oh, why is everything up? I don't understand. Right? That's what they're thinking. They don't understand. They're just like, what? They got their hand over their forehead like, I don't get it. Why is everything up? The people who are wiser, like me and you, we understand that Nvidia is a market mover. If Nvidia moves up, everything else, right? Everything else follows. And that is the power of correlation and being aware of it and having that knowledge. That the same goes for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's not exactly a market mover, right? At one point, Bitcoin was running and the stock market was just going down or doing nothing. Bitcoin is not a market mover. There's really no correlation in that sense, but there is correlation between Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners and the ETFs. What does this mean? Look at Bitcoin right now. It is up. Now let's look at a Bitcoin mining stock like Riot. Let's just take a quick look at what's going on here. What is this bad boy doing? Holy crap. It almost looks similar, right? Did you see that? Whoa. Whoa. This is a 5-minute time frame. Look at that. Same, like almost exactly the same price movement. So that is the power of correlation and being aware of it. Because this gives you an advantage. You know, if you see Bitcoin running, you're like, okay, what stocks have strong correlation with Bitcoin? Oh my God, Riot stock. So what does this mean? If you're aware of this, if you have this knowledge and you go to the daily time frame, right? This thing was at a high of 126,000, right? Now it's at 80K. It still has, believe it or not, this is insane. It still has a 54% move to the upside. What does this mean? It means because you're aware of correlation, you know that Riot stock here also has plenty of upside in it, potentially 50%, possibly more. Right now, if you were to buy and hold, oops, let's move that out of the way. If you were to buy and hold because you're aware of correlation and you believe Bitcoin will go back to highs, then this should go back to 30, which is about a 38% move. But I believe it'll even go higher, right? Because it's a cheaper stock. It's a cheaper price stock, right? It takes a lot more for Bitcoin to move from 80 to 120K versus, that's a 40K move, by the way. Riot stock, it should be able to make a $9 move, no problem. It's already done it before and Bitcoin wasn't even at 120K. So just imagine what's going to happen when Bitcoin gets back into the 100K plus range. We would expect Riot, which has strong correlation to Bitcoin, to also make highs over there at 30 to 40, maybe even 50. Right? That's the good thing about being aware of correlation. So there you go, guys. That is the power of correlation. This is why I always tell people, hey, look, if you have a smaller account size, you shouldn't focus on buying something like Nvidia, right? Nvidia is an expensive stock. It's $224. Maybe instead of buying Nvidia, if you have a smaller account size, you buy something that moves with it. That when Nvidia pumps, this cheaper $10 stock also gets moving too. And we can do that right now. So Nvidia's up 7%. Let's look at what else is moving. Wow, APLD has nothing to do with Bitcoin. So APLD here is up 6%. right? It's not like APLD got news. There's no news on APLD. I'm looking at it right now. Oops. Yeah, I don't see anything. There's no news for APLD. APLD is only moving up because it's got strong correlation with Nvidia. Same thing with IonQ, UMAC. I don't care about NUAI. Riot, right? QBTS. QBTS, though, it's a little weaker. It's only up 4% versus IonQ 6%. So on days like these, when you see Bitcoin or Nvidia pumping and you see that up 4%, 8%, that's when you look at your watches and go, what is moving with it very well? What is strongly correlated? So, right, you could buy APLD, which is almost 10 times cheaper. And you could make about even more. There's more potential return because it is a cheaper price stock compared to Nvidia, right? So that is the power of being aware of correlation. Knowing about this can take you next level as long as you put in the work to study, right? I mainly focus on Bitcoin mining stocks, Bitcoin, AI infrastructure, quantum, right? And Nvidia leaps. I did buy one leap today. I'll probably buy another if it comes down. If it goes to 230, cool, we're gonna make money, right? I buy what I know, and what I know has strong correlation to the bigger boys. And so that's like the secret, I guess, that I'm spilling here. Like, it's hard to lose when you buy something that's strongly correlated with Nvidia or Bitcoin, because both go higher over the long term. And that is it for this video. Hopefully this was enlightening. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.